Hello everybody, welcome to my Spanish class. In this lesson we study the Spanish alphabet, el alfabeto español, el alfabeto español. The Spanish alphabet contains 27 letters, 22 consonants and 5 vowels. It is similar to the English alphabet. Listen carefully and look at my lips for a better pronunciation of each letter. So let's start. A, B, B, C, C, D, D, E, E, F, F, G, G, H, H, I, J, J, K, K, L, L, M, M, N, N, Ñ, Ñ, O, P, P, Q, Q, R, R, S, S, T, T, U, U, V, V, W, W, X, X, Y, Y, Z, Z. Letter C is pronounced as a K in casa. 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 Casa means house. Always when the letter C is before letter A. Letter C is pronounced as a S in cielo. 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 Cielo means sky, or cerdo. 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 Cerdo means pig. In these cases, always when the letter C is before letters E, E, or letter E. Letter G is pronounced as a G in gato. 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 Gato means cat. Always when the letter G is before letter A. Letter G is pronounced as a J in gente. 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 Gente means people, or gimnasio. 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 Gimnasio means gym. Always when the letter G is before letter E or letter E. Letters V and B, they have a similar sound in Spanish. Letter U in combination like que, 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 que means what, or quién, 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 quién means who, is not pronounced the letter U, except in some words that contains diathesis, such as pingüino, pingüino, pingüino. Pingüino means penguin, or vergüenza, vergüenza, vergüenza. Vergüenza means shame. Letter H, although writing letter H generally doesn't pronounce as in huevo, huevo, huevo. Huevo means egg. Hora. 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 Hora means hour. And hospital. 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 Hospital means hospital. The letter ñ is a symbol of the Spanish language. Example, año, año, año. Año means year. Or piña, piña, piña. Piña means pineapple. For now, it's all for this lesson. Thank you all for watching this video. If you want to learn Spanish, I can help you. I hope to see you in my next video. And I hope you support me with your like and subscribe to my channel. Together, we learn much better. So thank you very much and adios, amigos.